Modeling multiplication. A model is a visual or physical representation of a math idea. For multiplication, one common model uses counters. A counter is any object used for counting. It could be a coin, a button, a dot, a square, or anything else that lets us represent quantities. When we model multiplication, we often make equal groups or equal rows. For example, let's model 3 times 5. This means 3 groups of 5. We could draw 3 rows with 5 counters in each row. The first row has 5 counters, the second row has 5 counters, and the third row has 5 counters. Altogether, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5, which equals 15. So 3 times 5 equals 15. The visual arrangement is called an array. An array is an arrangement of objects in rows and columns. Rows go across and columns go up and down. Arrays are useful because they make multiplication visible. If you rotate the array, 3 rows of 5 can also be seen as 5 columns of 3. Either way, there are still 15 counters altogether. That prepares us for a property we will discuss later. Changing the order of multiplication doesn't change the product. In other words, 3 times 5 and 5 times 3 both equal 15.